Bond traders are already moving their money. Your portfolio isn't. CPI data suggests inflation is climbing again. When bond yields spike, smart money is fleeing stocks. Most investors miss this signal until it's too late. The Fed will raise rates to fight inflation. Your savings lose value. Your mortgage gets more expensive. But inflation-protected bonds and diversified assets can protect your wealth right now. Know what bond traders know. Stay ahead of rate hikes and inflation. Subscribe for daily financial insights that move your portfolio forward.